It's Vlogmas time, it's Vlogmas time, it's Vlogmas time again. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, it's Vlogmas time again.
Merry Christmas! Just hear that sleigh bell jingle, ring, ding, ding, lovely weather for staying back together with you. Outside the snow is falling, friends are calling you.
Also, guys, definitely I wanna show some love to all my subscribers, old or new, for the love you have been showing on my page. Guys, I've made it past 300 subscribers. 300. I've made it past 300. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And I don't know, a Christmas. Let me turn this down. Let me turn this down. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. So guys, as you can see what going on the TV, who that? Rolly, Bianca, Brits, Ashley, Miss Trish Sassy, and Mommy, right? So, them are open gifts, right? So, my son in love Rolly, him love the song, him love everything but Rolly. So, I sent Rolly a little clip of Kareef was saying, something kind of, mushy.
Like, is she going to the airport?
Yeah, I forgot the airport, Papa. Then she had to reach the Jamaica.
So really, so easy gonna meet us here.
Here, where? In America?
Yeah.
No. Auntie Beth is going to Jamaica. She's going for a family reunion, so she just gonna...
Wait, they're really so easy, and then her family?
No. She's going for our family reunion.
I wish I could be there to meet really so easy in person.
Aww. You wish you were there to meet him?
Mm-hmm.
Aww. I mean, he's a cool dude, right? He's a cool dude, so... And Rolly put it in his video, but Kareef don't know about it yet. So I'm gonna call him and so we can catch the surprise on his face. So over here, so I have one phone set up right there. One phone set up right there, so, and it will capture his reaction, right? So I watched this already since about 3 o'clock this morning, or 4 o'clock this morning. So I'm just watching it again and making see it, and yeah, go get his reaction. Alright? But before that, guys, before all of that, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell, and you'll be notified of every single time I put a new video up. Guys, go check out his videos. It's Rolly So Easy Vlogs. I'm gonna try to put his link down below. Tell him Shala Rose Senana. Trust me, guys, you're not gonna laugh out on a belly. Yes. And guys, in today's video, I am gonna be doing some braids in my hair. I've been doing braids in my hair for years, like some umpteen years, maybe like 13 years. I'm gonna like the restrictions. So that's what I will be doing today, Sunday. And being that Christmas just gone, we're not doing a big cooking today. We did some curry chicken that was seasoned up for Christmas and we didn't get to cook it. So we're going to cook that with some white rice and call it a day. So let's jump into this video. So the little one there. Girl, get down. Get down. So let's do this, guys. Let's go do this. Kareef! Yeah. Hey guys, my son got featured in one of Rolly So Easy videos.
From my family to yours, we're wishing you a Merry Christmas!
I wish I could be there.
Aww. Wait, the guys, I'm gonna forget to turn on the other video. Hold on, the people. Hold on. Kareef! Come here, quick. Come watch this.
Merry Christmas!
What? I got
Kareef! Look. Say that again, Mama. Kareef! Come here, quick. Come watch this.
Merry Christmas!
Kareef! Look. Say that again, Mama. You panic! Everybody panic. Also, guys, definitely I wanna show some love to all my subscribers, old or new, for the love you have been showing on my page. Guys, I've made it past 300 subscribers. 300. I'm at these past 300. 300. Come on and dance with me. Yeah. Dance. Let's dance. I'm loving the love. Yeah. Enough of that. Guys, thank you. I don't know how much more to say. Thank you. And you. All of you. You know. Thank you. I hope you all had some beautiful Christmas cake. Alright? And guys, I hope you all move in the new year with a new attitude. I got a new attitude. Yeah. Okay, guys, so that's it.
Merry Christmas!